In this video, we're going to show you how to install the air filter on your Kia Sorento located under your hood. You want to open up our air filter lid here, and there's going to be 4 of these clips. There's 2 on the top, and right on the bottom side here, they're going to be in the same exact locations, just on the opposite side of the lid. You're going to reach down and push down. And pull this aside. Now you can normally reach inside here. Pull the air filter out. Take your new air filter. You want to make sure that the open fins here are facing towards the air coming in, and this rubber seal is facing up towards the lid. You do want to make sure that that filter sits nice and flush. So you can reach around the bottom side and make sure that it sits flush inside the air filter base. And then go ahead and line up the lid, wiggle that into place, and then reach down below, grab that snap, and pull up on the 2 bottom ones, snapping those on. Then come on top. And you're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.